So yeah, this is how it goes. We had a couple of big RC trucks where we come from. We had 1.8s, 1.5s, 1.10s, and then we moved to a different country, and we just want to get some cars that we can take around, and we decided on getting 1/16 scales, and we decided on, the kids got some black zones 1/16 scale cars. You can just maybe hand me one. We got these from Tech Toys in Perth, and these guys, you can see how they look. They've been using and abusing them, and you get all the spare parts available. So they've got 2 of these, and I've printed some paddle wheels for those ones, and they are pretty awesome in the dunes. Been like putting like 100 Ks on these things and just keep on going. I can put a clip on there. So yeah, we don't have any cars except for those. Starting to build a collection now. If you want to see how our collection grow, and basically I'm gonna use what I've learned out of all of these other cars that we had, see parts availabilities and durability, and decent sizes that you can take anywhere with you. So those are the kids' cars, the black Zons, and I've been looking around for similar sizes, the 1/16 scale, and when I come across on Temu, they have these 1/16 scale beastie things. Just look at that package. It would be in great condition, maybe still. I just got this, so I'm gonna do an unboxing on this thing. They said it's amazing, all the other reviews that we've done. I'll just open this up and we'll see what's inside there. It was actually advertised as a brushless, the brushless one, but it says Pro Carbon Brushed. You see on there. I'll put a clip on the advertisement of my order on there, so you can see I actually ordered that. But you can see on the other side it says Max Brushless, so don't know what's inside here.
Let's open it.
Let's see. Maybe the devil's inside there. You never know. So yeah, let's see if we got a brushed motor or a brushless motor in this, and hopefully nothing got damaged. According to the reviews that I've seen, the car is quite tough, so the damage box won't do anything to it. The reason why I chose this car is there's a similar popular brand that seems to have the same body. The guys that's glued up with their cars, they would know which brand I'm talking about. So that's why I chose this one. And yeah, that's quite a good car. And I would be able to use those parts on this car. As you can see, it's a brushed, not a brushless. Was what, $110, but yeah, the ad said it should be brushless. So I don't know, should we send this back or should we keep it? I've waited, like it was pre-ordered, it didn't take long, I think it's 15 days for it to come. Still looks like a decent car. This looks a bit like a casted thing. 1300 milliamp, 7.4 volt battery in it. These are good T connectors. Happy with those. Your normal friction shocks. That's quite good. I don't know, what should I do? Should I send this back? Should we just play with it? Looks quite solid. It's got like a plastic tapper wheel bolts in there. Some fake discs inside there. It's also a ESC receiver combo in there. Well, for the money of it, got some lights. I think it's good. It's probably worth it. If you look at those Black Zone cars of the kids, a bit more expensive, but these things have proven themselves. And it's like these would be like $30 more expensive than that one. And they don't have any like metal shafts. They say that these ones should have metal shafts. I don't see any metal shafts in there. So I will be contacting them and ask them what's going on. Why is it not brushless? Should be brushless. You can put a comment. What would you do? $100, send it back and request a brushless, or just take it, see where it goes, how it goes and flows. Then you've got a bag of goodies. So we bar and Phillips screwdriver, one of the cheapy chargers, some shock clips, body clips, and I suppose this is the wing. And then the remote. It's got the remote with the low, medium, and high, channel for the lights. The remote got disc brakes. How you like that? You don't steer too fast, you can break it. 3 AA's. Steering trim, throttle trim, on, off, the normal. Now this feels like a very, very cheap business. Decide for yourself. The reason why I made this video is that other guys would want to buy and make a decent decision. So yeah, I think I'm gonna charge it up and see what happens, where it goes, what it does. I don't know. You should put the comment there and tell me, should I request a brushless? Should I keep this one? Maybe if they just send me a brushless one, I can do a review on that. That'll make up for it. But the steel drive shafts that's in the pictures, it's not there. All of them plastic drive shafts. But it's a decent car for 100 bucks. I think so. I really think it's a decent car for that amount of money. So let's charge it and play with it and see what it does. So after a couple of measurements, I took the vernier and I took the black zone 116, and I see that refunding it won't be worth it, because there's more than 100 bucks worth of parts from the beast that can fit on the black zone. So you take a battery is like 20-30 bucks, wheels 50 bucks, motor, those 390 motors, they're like 20 to 30 bucks. Receiver, ESC, servo looks a bit bigger, but I think it's just a bracket. It's the same servo. Shocks, you can use those on the black zone. So yeah, now we'll keep it. And refund it. We'll just use it. And if it breaks down, put it on the shelf. Black zone breakdown, put some parts in there, put some parts in there. Then we will always have a car running. Yeah, that's the black zone slider. What's that? Slider. Yeah.
Slider.
I got a couple of black zone parts here. This is from Hobby Tech. Side shafts, stuff. Side shafts seems to fit. I'm not gonna take it out and check it. Well, side shafts on the fronts the same length. Don't know about the fittings, but the wheels will fit on there. But at least the other things, like I said, the shocks and the wheels and the batteries and the motor, ESC, receiver combo, that'll fit on the black zone. So we'll keep it. We will run around with it, see which one breaks first. But I'm not damaging my stuff because I paid for it myself. So we just enjoy it. We don't bash it and ramp it and break it. We do some ramps, but come on, man. Money doesn't grow on trees, eh? Put the remote switch on. Do it in a sequence so nobody screams at me. Got the car switch on. I just have a ready charged battery in there. It's not the battery that came with the car. See, everybody just put it on low, medium, high. What, man? Just put it on high. I'm gonna use a fast car to drive slow. Right. So tonight, it's running forward, running backwards. Got some lights on the channel 3. Blinking off, on, blinking on, off. There you go. We're gonna take it for a spin. Let's quickly put the wing on the back so it doesn't lose traction. If it would. There you go. Let's take it for a spin. I can already tell this thing is a bit fast. I should have put the wheelie bar on it. See if it can make a donut. That's on the gravel. See if you can do it on the kitchen. Yeah, $100. Not bad. I don't think it's bad. This thing, you can smell it. Motor is quite hot. EC doesn't know anything about if it has been working or not. Pulled some amps, you can feel it on the battery. I don't know, what can I say about this thing? I think it's a decent car. It rolled, had a couple of crashes, nothing broke. Yeah. There you have it. I didn't put it in medium low. If you put it in low, it goes low. If you put it in medium, it goes medium. Put it in high, that's what you want, so that's what you'll get.